In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remap due dates and reassign tasks in ClickUp. This is a handy feature that will help you keep your projects organized and ensure that your team is on track with upcoming deadlines. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to enable the Remap Subtask Due Dates ClickUp. This is a crucial step that allows us to use the feature where changing the due date of a parent task automatically updates its subtasks. To do this, start by navigating to your avatar in the ClickUp interface. You'll see an option titled ClickApps. Go ahead and click that. Once you're inside the ClickApps section, you'll need to locate the option for Remap Subtask Due Dates. It's under the category Scheduling and Dates. There's a handy search bar there, so just type in Remap Subtask Due Dates, and it should pop up right away. Once you've found it, simply toggle it on. This little switch is what activates the feature. Another option you'll see is whether to include closed subtasks in this automatic rescheduling. Consider your project's needs here. If you want even the closed tasks to adjust based on new dates, you can include them. Otherwise, you might prefer to leave this option off to keep completed work unchanged. With that setup done, it's time to actually use the feature we just activated. Let's move on to how you can effectively manage and utilize this function. Begin by opening a parent task, one that already has subtasks with due dates assigned. You'll need to have tasks that are initially set up so that any changes you make have a visible impact. Once you have your parent task open, you'll want to edit its due date. Let's say you need to push this date out to the future to accommodate changes or a shift in priorities. Simply adjust the parent task's due date forward. The magic of this ClickUp feature is that as soon as you revise the due date of the parent task, the due dates of all subtasks within it will automatically adjust accordingly. This can be a game changer in managing timelines because it ensures consistency in your scheduling without the need to manually change every subtask's due date one by one. And just like that, you've now remapped your subtask due dates with ease. By enabling this ClickUp, you've equipped yourself with a power tool that minimizes the risk of oversight and simplifies task management. It's all about working smarter, not harder, and making your project timeline more adaptable to changes, keeping everything organized and streamlined. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you'll be able to implement these changes in your own ClickUp workspace with confidence. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips on optimizing your